folks, Ben here, restringing the EVH Wolfgang Speciale, made out of the Land of the Rising Sun, aka Japan. It is getting D'Addario XS, it says XS right there, not Extra Slinky, that's the other company. 9 through 42s, because this guitar likes that, and frets look fine, because go figure, they're stainless. Locking nut isn't locked, that's a bonus. And yeah, just quick restring, it looks like. This will be nice and hopefully painless for once. That'd be nice, you know, for a change. Oh boy, how's everyone doing today? Well, that's good. Yep, yeah, I like that sound. All right. We have the locking nut unlocked. Looking for a string winder, got one. Easy. Let's not put the vape on the edge of the countertop. That's a smart idea. Apparently only put about a wind and a half on there. Go figure, because you don't need much when you got a locking nut. Keep everything in place. Yeah, okay, guess the right way. Get on there. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Come on, one more. Almost. Oh, well, you have all the wines on this one. What do you got, like 14,000 wines? Yep, apparently so. All right. Just like that, they are all out. Why? What? Who are you holding on to? Like, no, we don't need that mic anymore. We don't use that. We want wireless. All right. Go. We're doing on time. Look at that. 3 minutes in. Perfect. Give or take. The intro video. I'm cooking dinner whilst working on the guitar, so there'll be pauses as I go upstairs to flip the sausages in the frying pan. Italian sausages in the frying pan. Because why not? All right. Wipe. Get a little. Always wipe in between. Why? Because you can't. It's a hassle when the strings are on it. That's what I'm saying. Yep, exactly. There's the mung factor. Oh, we're starting to get little bits of the ovals here and there from the finger mung. That's fine. Apparently it's in that. I was in the Kia B when we got mungy. All right. Well, we're going to leave the mung. Apparently it's tone mung. I'm going to pause the video to go flip the sausages. Be right back. Just like that, sausages are flipped. This is like getting into a Japanese import CD in the 90s. The D'Addario tone lives in every string. Well, I hope so, because that's why they're going on my guitar. Oh, good thing you did the Zep lock here, you know, because of the string poking through. Yeah, that's fine, right? That's fine. All right. 3 sets of 2. All right, what are we gonna do? Am I supposed to look at these? Not black and silver? Sure. As opposed to black and brass. Why is every other one black? Silver, black, brass, silver, black, brass. Sakes. 2 middles. All right, so E is the silver. I'll just put that in the mouth. These. Yeah, that's right. All right. It's so rare that I do one of these style tail pieces, so I always got to remember. Don't talk with your mouth full, Ben. Well, I can't help it. I got a B string in my mouth. That was B string, not G string. Get your head out of the gutter, Terry. Sure. Have to turn on it. Go. Where's my string winder? There it is. Sure, I don't know what that fits to, but yeah. I'd like to get two strings on before I got to go flip the sausages again. There you go. Now you need to go. That's how you gouge up your headstock because you're too lazy to remove the string retainer at the other end. There we go. Easy, easy, and it's through. All right. Go. Get it into the right area. Sure, that's fine. Hold it there. Start going. I'll put a little tension on her. Yeah, because the B string should be higher than the E string. Sure. All right, I'll be right back. Looking out my back door. Tambourines and elephants playing in the band. Won't you come along, take a ride with me? There we go. Easy. You gonna fall out in the meantime? No, you didn't either. Aren't you just pleasure to work with? Mm-hmm. It's a little slack. Easy. Oh, I didn't do the thing. Oh, let's put it in the on. There we go. Whatever. Still not removing the string retainer. Chris is like, oh, he's such a rebel. Come on. Get in the hole. The hole. Get in the hole. There. Sure. About that. Yep. Keep going up. Reach over there. Sure. Let's just up and out of the way for now. Let's go for it. Let's live dangerously. What's what? Brass is the thing. Well, I could tell that. Well, actually, they don't look that different. 32 and a 42. Yeah, well, they're about 2. 10. one on, and then we'll flip the sausages again. I hear a few of you eagle-eyed viewers that are viewing on, they're like, "That's a fancy shirt you're wearing, Ben. It's got buttons and on the front, collar on the neck. What's up?" Oh, sister and I were at the lawyer's today. Don't worry, she's not suing me. Just finalizing some stuff with Ma's estate. So thought Mazel, put a shirt with a collar on since we're going to town and stuff. Yep, sure. All right, I'm going to go flip sausages. Okay, sausages are almost done, so I'm almost done. Amazing how that works. I will be doing a separate video, review. You can't really demonstrate strings. What are you going to do? Oh, that one's the pitch. All right. But, yeah, you don't do a demo of strings. What are you going to do? Just pluck them? Hey, I plucked a string. Look at me. I'm a YouTuber. No. A review. I don't know why I'm so... Oh, you're slipping, aren't you? You're just going to... Yeah, you're going to slip through again, you bastard. All right, fine. We'll just put all the... Now I know why all the wines were on you before, I think. Sure. Where's my string stretcher? String stretcher. Thank you again, Lucas and or Martin from L&M Guitar Corner. Sure. Easy. You want to be careful with the plain strings. Don't be all just reefing on them. Well, these didn't stretch a whole lot. I like that. Well, that one did stretch up. There we go. D'Addario XS strings. Relock the locking nut. So, if you're new, please subscribe. Returning, welcome back. Leave a comment down below. I don't know. Have you tried these? Let me know. Thoughts, opinions. I'm curious to know. And like I say, I'll be shooting a demo on these strings. And also, fun fact, if you're watching this the day this is released, 2 days from now, we have Rob Cunningham, like, I don't know, vice president or something of this company. So we'll be talking about these strings. So there we are. I've been Ben, you've been you, and this has been another guitar string change video on my YouTube channel. I know that because I shot it, I uploaded it, and now you're watching it, not me. Peace, folks.